What's been the biggest impediment to innovation in the organizations you worked in?
Good question. Quite often, I think it's all about solution thinking. Everybody's in a hurry to launch the next big product or the next big service. And quite often we start going down the solution trap rather than looking at alternatives and testing those alternatives before launching.
The biggest challenge is people can't think outside farmlands. They're scared of innovation. They're scared out of going beyond their comfort zones. Quite often, they work in environments where trying to be different doesn't work out. People are always told, come up with new ideas, new challenges, new ways of doing things. And then you're beaten back by being told it's too risky. And this just kills innovation. And this is something really, really difficult to overcome.
One of the biggest ones we've had is across a lot of vehicle stakeholders who are subject matter experts and are often speaking for the customer, and that kind of becomes the roadmap. However, we kind of need to take a step back and make sure we're actually speaking to the real customers to make sure we build the right thing for them.
So biggest challenges would be aligning the right incentives and creating the right governance structure that even from the top, everyone's bought in.
And just explain those a little bit.
So that would be taking, like we did today, so taking an idea from initially the problem and then through to value exchange and then scaling it, ensuring that each of those stage gates well understood and also well thought into and adequately funded as you go through.
I would say it's a lack of focus, actually, a lack of strategic focus. So I've worked in government a lot, and large organisations, money isn't necessarily like plentiful, and being able to kind of articulate this is where we really want to focus our energy, and that sense of strategic direction isn't there within which people innovate. So people kind of innovate here and there in bits and pieces, but there's nothing kind of systemic or strategic about it. So I would say that lack of direction from leadership about where to focus your energy.
Yeah, so one of the main challenges that I have is the immediate return on investment. I believe a lot of people expect that straight away, but of course over time you will see it. It's just the initial bit, it may take some time to come about.